This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm in Lincoln Park, just off the intersection of Clark and Fullerton, where there's Five Guys, ton of restaurants, shops, grocery store. Heading around for a look at the Patricians. Vintage high-rise with updated apartments. Heading further around, you're looking at Lincoln Park. The park itself. Just literally steps from the building. One of the great urban playgrounds in the entire United States. It's kind of cold out here, so let's head inside for a walk through one of the apartments. Just walked into apartment 1506E, a studio with a lot of vintage character. It's built up crown and baseboard moldings, sconce lighting, high ceilings, blonde hardwood oak flooring. Panning around for a look at the kitchen, you have better cabinet and counter space than you're going to find in many vintage studios in the neighborhood. Stainless steel appliance package includes a built-in microwave, 4-burner electric range, granite counters, a dishwasher. Again, a dishwasher is a feature that you're not going to find in very many vintage studios in Lincoln Park. Heading toward the bath, it's a walk-in closet, and then a sleek-looking bath with a pedestal sink, wall-mounted medicine cabinet, vintage lighting, and an arch above the tub. Shelving in the tub surround for shampoo, shaving needs, whatever. Patricians has an attractive suite of amenities that includes a rooftop sundeck. It's definitely one of the properties that you want to have on your must-see list when you want to be in one of Lincoln Park's most attractive locations. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.